The activities today with Linda Beanstalk, a girl, a boy, and their dog. Are you ready? Good.
Yeah.
Here we go, Linda Beanstalk. Hooray!
Off, 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 off. Off, 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 off. Oh, Juno, good doggy, good doggy. Eric, what was Dad telling us? What was the big deal about Mr. Kinley over there? Well, he said Mr. Kinley over there wasn't paying his taxes, and he had to auction off his beautiful Labrador Retriever. Something fishy going on there. Oh, you mean he could have lost his house? Yes. Grown-ups. Well, they say he's retired, you know. Oh. And look, over there. It's Miss Sutter. We're looking at her, and she's looking at us through the Venetian blinds. And when we look back at her, she closes the window. Oh, I never noticed that. They say she has dementia. Oh, how terrible. How can she manage old age? It must be terrible. Juno, 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 uff, 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 uff. Juno, come back. Oh, look, over there. That's the house of Bert and Rosie O'Shea. It's completely empty, except for the drapes. Oh, I just saw them 2 weeks ago, and there wasn't even a for sale sign. Hey, you want to come with us? We're going to see the world. We just stopped by to pick up the drapes. Drapes? Why would they need drapes if they're going to see the world? Well, you know, darling, you can make wonderful clothes out of drapes. Toodaloo. Grown-ups. Grown-ups. Well, we better look for Juno. I'm getting worried. I've been taking Juno for granted, and now she's gone. Maybe she went to see the world. You know, Eric, since Dad's gone, you've been a good brother to me. Let's go look for Juno. Juno, 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 Juno. Oh, I took her for granted. We better get home. It's getting dark. Juno, 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 Juno. Ma, we lost Juno. Ma, Juno's gone. Ma, I took her for granted. Well, Ma, I'm gonna go upstairs to sleep now. Good night, Ma. Ma, Juno's gone. Now, we'll just put up some posters on all the lampposts for a missing Cocker Spaniel. Ma, Does everybody just pick up and leave whenever they feel like? What do you mean, dear? Well, Bert and Rosie O'Shea, they just picked up and went to see the world. Now, you never know what'll move people. Eric, your brother, wants to be somebody someday. You never know what'll move him. Oh, Ma, I don't understand. I'm going to bed now. Good night, Ma. Good night, dear. Act 2, 1 year later. Oh, Juno, Juno. You know, Gwen, every time I get stuck on a problem, whether it's homework or life in general, I think of Bert and Rosie O'Shea just picking up and seeing the world. But Eric, you have roots here. This town has done so much for us, including finding Juno. It took them 6 months, but they found our Juno. And after all, this town makes me feel peaceful. Yes, you have roots, but you must face what comes to you in life. And when it's my chance, I'll take it. Well, it's been a rough year. Graduation is tomorrow. And you know what, Eric? I'm helping Miss Gray in her yarn store with her cash receipts and even her knitting class after school. And so it was with Eric and Gwen. Eric traveled the world. He became a writer. And Gwen stayed and got married in town, her town. And Gwen and Eric visit Cleo, their mother, and Juno, who is very old now for a dog. Off. The end.